Welcome to Wicked Waste Incorporated, your premier choice for affordable dumpster rental. Whether managing a construction site, handling a significant renovation, or conducting a thorough cleanout, Wicked Waste Incorporated provides the solutions you need to manage your waste effectively. Our dumpster rental services are designed to meet the diverse needs of both residential and commercial clients throughout our service areas. With a commitment to reliability, efficiency, and environmental responsibility, Wicked Waste Incorporated ensures that your waste management process is smooth and hassle-free. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. We have the right solution, from compact dumpsters perfect for residential cleanouts to large yard containers ideal for significant construction projects. Our knowledgeable and friendly team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. We work closely with you to understand your needs and recommend the best dumpster rental option. We ensure timely delivery and quick pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste disposal. Contact us today at 267-899-2100 or visit our website at www.wickedwastepa.com dumpster rental to learn more about our services and to book your dumpster rental. Let Wicked Waste Incorporated be your trusted partner in efficient and eco-friendly waste management.